Hello students. In this video, we're going to dive into the exciting world of electricity. We're going to learn all about electric currents, circuits, and the special components that help us use electricity safely and effectively. So, let's get started on this electrifying journey. Electricity is something we use every day. It powers our homes, bringing us light, warmth, and comfort. But where does it all begin? It starts at power stations, where electricity is generated and then sent to our homes and industries. You can think of electricity as being similar to water flowing through pipes. Just like water needs a clear path to move from one place to another, electricity needs a pathway too. This pathway is called an electric circuit, and it allows electricity to travel to where it's needed. Now, let's talk about electric current. You've probably noticed that we have outlets in our homes where we can plug in things like phones and lamps. When you plug something in, you complete the circuit, allowing electricity to flow from the power source to your device. This flow of electricity is what we call an electric current. Electricity has two types of charges, positive and negative. These charges behave a bit like magnets. Similar charges repel each other, meaning they push away from one another. But opposite charges attract, meaning they pull towards each other. This interaction between charges is key to how electricity works. Now, to keep the electric current flowing, we need a complete path or a closed circuit. A simple electric circuit might include a battery, some wires, a switch, and a light bulb. The battery provides the energy to push the electric charges through the wires. For the circuit to work, everything needs to be connected properly. When the circuit is complete, current flows from the positive terminal of the battery, through the wires, and back to the negative terminal, making the bulb light up. One of the important components in an electric circuit is the electric cell. An electric cell is a device that converts chemical energy into electrical energy, providing power for the circuit. Inside the cell, a chemical reaction creates electricity, which flows through the circuit. There are different types of electric cells. Primary cells are used once and then replaced when they run out of energy, like the batteries in your remote control. Secondary cells, on the other hand, can be recharged and used again, just like the batteries in your smartphone. Electric cells can also come in different forms. Dry cells are common in flashlights and toys. They contain a chemical paste rather than liquid, making them easy to carry around. Then there are solar cells, which convert sunlight into electricity. You've probably seen them on solar panels. Lastly, there are button cells, which are small and round, perfect for powering devices like watches and calculators. When multiple cells are connected, they form a battery. A battery is like a team of cells working together to provide even more electrical energy. The more cells you connect, the more energy you get. Another essential component in a circuit is the electric switch. A switch controls the flow of electricity. When it's in the on position, it closes the circuit, allowing electricity to flow and making things like lights or fans work. When it's off, the circuit is open, and the flow of electricity is stopped. To keep our circuits safe, we use an electric fuse. Think of a fuse as a safety device that protects the circuit from getting too much electricity. If too much current flows through the circuit, the fuse will melt and break the circuit, preventing any damage to your devices. Finally, let's talk about the materials that carry electricity. We call these materials conductors. Metals like copper and silver are great conductors because they let electric current flow easily. That's why copper wires are used in electrical circuits. But not all materials let electricity flow. Insulators, like plastic, wood, and rubber, don't allow electric current to pass through them easily. Insulators are important because they help protect us from electric shocks. Understanding how electricity works helps us use it safely and effectively in our everyday lives. Now, here's a question for you. What are the two types of electric charges, and what happens when they meet? Share your answer in the comments. The complete curriculum for Class 6 is available on our channel. Check out all the links provided in the description below. Please make sure to like, share, and comment for more such videos.